Yeah. Yes, children. Good evening, children. I just started the recording. Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah, finish the first one. No. No answer, which means no. Let's do it together. The first one, I'll just write the coordinates. Let me just write the coordinates. What are they? A comma A, B minus A comma minus A, and C minus root 3A comma root 3A. All right. All right, children. So we need to show that these, points form the vertices of an equilateral triangle. These points form the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So for that, you'll have to show that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, because we know that in an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. So using the distance formula, we need to find the length of the side AB, length of the side BC, and the length of the side AC. And all these three lengths must be equal. So these points form the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so we need to first find AB. So we need to first find AB, square root of difference between the x coordinates. X coordinates are A and minus A. The difference between them. So A plus A. Difference, no, A minus minus A whole square plus difference between the y coordinates. A and minus A are the y coordinates. Difference A minus minus A plus A, the whole square. So that's equal to root of A plus A is 2A. 2A the whole square plus 2A the whole square. That is equal to square root of 2A the whole square means 2A into 2A. 2A into 2A is 4A square. 4A square plus 4A square. And 4A square plus 4A square is 4 plus 4, 8. 8A square. And this is nothing but root 8 is 2 root 2. And A square comes out as A. 2 root 2 A units. Root 8 is 2 root 2. And A square comes out of the square root as A. That A is outside the square root. Excuse me. A is outside the square root. 2 root 2 A units. 2 root 2 A units is the length of the line segment AB or the side AB. Next, BC. BC is equal to square root of B and C, difference between the x coordinates. So the x coordinates are minus A and minus root 3A. So minus A minus root 3A. So it will become plus root 3A, the whole square, plus again difference. So you can root 3A and minus A. So you can write it as root 3A plus A the whole square. Difference between the y coordinates. Root 3A minus minus A. So root 3A plus A the whole square. So this is equal to square root of, you can write this one also as root 3A plus, minus A. Root 3A minus A the whole square plus root 3A plus A the whole square. Listen carefully, children. Root 3A, the first bracket, root 3A minus A the whole square plus root 3A plus A the whole square. Now, this is of the form A minus B the whole square plus A plus B the whole square. This is of the form A minus B the whole square plus A plus B the whole square. So A minus B the whole square plus A plus B the whole square is equal to root of, but not root of, the square root is there, so square root of is equal to 2 of A square plus B square. 2 of A square plus B square, that's an identity. 2 of A square, this is A square minus B square minus B square. 2 of A square minus B square. Otherwise, you'll have to expand it, that's all. You'll get the same result. You expand it, you'll get the same result. that is equal to square root of 2 into root 3a the whole square. I know there is another question which I have to answer. I'll tell you. Just listen. So this will be 3a square. This will be 3a square minus minus a square. Minus a square. So that's equal to plus 2 of a square plus b square. That's what I said, but I wrote minus 2 of a square plus b square. All right. So that's equal to root 2 into 2 into 4a square. So sorry, 2 root 2a units. Otherwise, even if you expand, you'll get the same answer, children. That is, if you expand using the formula a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, you'll get the same answer. I've used an identity. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 of a square plus b square. So 2 of a square, root 3a the whole square plus b square, a the whole square. Then root 3a the whole square is 3a square. This is a square. So 4a square into 2, 8a square, 2 root 2 a units. A square comes out as a. Now, you might get a situation like this under the square root. Under the square root, children, if you have like minus root 3a minus a, something like this, okay, the whole square, you may have a doubt as to which identity to use. Okay, if you get something like this, minus root 3a minus a, which identity to use? You can use any identity, a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square, but you should take the values of a and b correctly. You can use any identity. If you have something like this, minus root 3a minus a the whole square, it doesn't go with a plus b or a minus b. So then which identity to use to expand this? You can use anything, a plus b or a minus b. Now, supposing you compare this with a plus b, you write it in that form, that's all. So if it is a plus b, you can do all this in your mind. You don't have to actually show, but I'm showing it to you. So if it is a plus b, children, a plus b. No, actually, you shouldn't be writing like this. And should directly. Okay, when you compare this with a plus b the whole square. What is a? A is minus root 3a. And what is b? B is minus a. When you substitute, okay, or I'll say x and y. X is minus root 3a. And y is, because plus y is minus a. X is minus root 3a and plus y is minus a. So when you use, if you expand this using the identity x plus y the whole square, your x will be minus root 3a and y will be minus a. If you expand this using the identity x minus y the whole square, x minus y the whole square, your x will be minus root 3a, but your y will be only a, because here minus y is minus a. Minus y is minus a. So y is equal to a. Minus y is equal to minus a. So y is equal to a. But x is what? X is equal to minus root 3a. So you can expand using this identity also, x minus y the whole square. There your x is minus root 3a and y is just a. So you should use these. So like this you should substitute. That's all it is. Okay. Yes, children. Finally, we have to find AC. We'll have to find AC. Okay, AC is equal to root of, again, x2 minus x1 the whole square. So it will be a plus root 3a the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So a minus root 3a, any order, subtract the y coordinates in any order. Again, this is of the form x plus y. You cannot add a and root 3a, they are like terms. But when you add root 3a and a, when you add, you cannot add them, meaning a and root 3a, 1a and root 3a. When you add, you will get 1 plus root 3 of A. 1 plus root 3 of A. So though they are like terms, when you add, you will get something like this, 1 plus root 3 of A. So now this is like x plus y the whole square, and the other one is like x minus y the whole square. So x plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square is equal to 2 of x square plus y square. Put the square root symbol, 2 of x square, sorry, 2 of x square plus y square. 2 of x square plus y square. So see here, 2 of x square, right, x square plus y square. X plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square is equal to 2 of x square plus y square is the identity. We have another one, x plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square is equal to 4xy. A plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Okay. So 2 of a square plus b square, a square plus b square. So you'll get the same thing, children. You can see here exactly this we are getting. The same thing we are getting here. So you will get 2 root. You work this here, the same steps like we did for BC. So the answer will be 2 root 2 A units. So you can see that each side is 2 root 2 A units. So it is an equilateral triangle because AB, BC, AC all are equal to 2 root 2 A units. So equilateral triangle. Now area of the triangle you will have to find root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, root 3 by 4 into side square. How do you find the area of the triangle? Area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Sorry. Into side. What's the side? 2 root 2a. So whatever. Work this, whatever is the answer. Yes, children, please do this. Children, any questions, children? Please ask me. If you have worked in a different way, you don't know how to calculate, please ask me. You can take a photo of your answer and share it on WhatsApp. I can see and tell you in case you're not getting. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Please finish the area also. Area is equal to, because it's an equilateral triangle, area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Here you must say that since AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, it's an equilateral triangle. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, so it's an equilateral triangle. Area of the triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. So root 3 by 4 into, when you square this, you will get 8A square. Two root 3 A square units. Am I right, children? 2 root 3 A square units. Yeah. Got the next one? You'll have to show that ABC are the vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles meaning you need to show that two sides are equal. Right angled. So you should use the Pythagoras theorem, and meaning you must show that Pythagoras theorem works here. So first find all the three sides AB, BC, and AC. Of the three sides, two sides must be equal. So isosceles. A right angle triangle. You must find. Now we would have found the sides AB, BC, and AC. So there will be a longest side. Square that separately. Find the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. The results must be equal. So it's a right triangle. So it's an isosceles right triangle. Find AB, BC, AC. Yeah, please work, children. Well, if you do one thing, take a screenshot of this third question and start, meaning finish the second one and start working this. Take a picture, all of you. Take a picture. Finish the second answer and then start the third one. Yeah, this is the second answer. Finish this one and then start working the third one. I'm showing you the question again. Take a screenshot. Yeah. I'll just come back. Yes, children. Anyone has the answer for the third one?
Ma'am, minus 9, comma 15 by 2, ma'am.
Minus 9. Let me check. No. No, darling. I'm just checking if the points are correct. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, 7 and minus 1. No. Let me, oh yeah, I'll do it here. So this is for the third one. So let that point be Px comma y, which is equidistant from A 5 comma 1, B minus 3 minus 7, C 7 minus 1. Okay, so you have to find the coordinates of a point which is equidistant from A, B, and C. So let that point be P, given by the coordinates x comma y. So let P be the point which is equidistant from A, B, and C. So that means PA, PA, the distance PA is equal to the distance PB is equal to the distance PC. Because it is given that P is equidistant from A, B, and C. That means PA is equal to PB is equal to PC. Or you have PA square is equal to PB square is equal to PC square. Now let's find PA square. We'll have to find everything PA square, PB square, and PC square. Let's find PA square. So we won't write that square root, that's all. X2 minus x1 the whole square. So like x minus 5 the whole square. P and A, subtract the x coordinates whole square plus subtract the y coordinates whole square. Now we have to expand this. So you'll get x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus y squared minus 2y plus 1. Now what can be simplified here? Only the numbers. So you'll get x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 2y plus 26. This is PA squared. Next, PB squared. Okay, P and B. Subtract the x coordinates. So x plus 3 the whole square. Plus subtract the y coordinates. Y plus 7 the whole square. So we have to expand this. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now let's simplify the numbers. X squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 14y plus 58. And finally PC squared. Subtract the x coordinates whole square plus subtract the y coordinates whole square, which is x squared minus 14x plus 49 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1. Simplifying the numbers, x squared plus y squared minus 14x plus 2y plus 50. Now we have found PA squared, PB squared, PC squared separately. Now we have to make the equation PA square is equal to PB square. Okay, now we have to make the equation PA square is equal to PB square. So now case 1, whatever, PA square is equal to PB square. So what is PA square? X squared y squared minus 10x minus 2y plus 26. X squared plus y squared, my God, minus 10x minus 2y. 2y plus 26 is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 6y plus 14, 6, 14, 58. 6, 14, 58. All plus 1. Yeah. Okay, so this is PA square is equal to PB square. So you can see x square and y square on either sides, they get cancelled. Now bring all the x and y terms to one side, minus 10x minus 2y minus 6x minus 14y. Take the numbers to the other side, 58 minus 26. So minus 12, no, 12, 16. minus 16x minus 16y is equal to how much is this? 32. And dividing by 16 throughout, that is minus 16x by 16, minus 16y by 16, 32 by 16. So you get minus x minus y is equal to 2. You can change the signs. You can leave it like this. Okay, we'll leave it like this. Fine. We'll leave it like this. This is the first equation. This is the first equation. All of you take down so far. Quickly work. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait for one more minute. Yeah. So on equating PA square and PB square, we got an equation, a linear equation in two variables x and y. Now let's equate PB square and PC square, or PA square and PC square, whatever. Complete this one. That's all. You'll get two equations in x and y. Solve the two equations and find the values of x and y, and hence write out the coordinates of P. Complete this one. All right. Should have finished by now. Now I'm going to clear the slide and we'll work. PB square is equal to PC square, or PA square is equal to PC square, whatever. Okay. Now what is PB square? X square by 6, 14, 58. 6, 14, 58. Minus 14 plus 2 plus 50. Minus 14 minus 14 plus 2 plus 50. Okay. Again, x square, y square on either side gets cancelled. See, pb square is equal to pc square. So this is pb square is equal to pc square. Now bring the x and y terms to one side, x and y terms to one side, and the numbers to the other side. So 20x plus 12y is equal to minus 8. Divide by 2 throughout, or 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. And that gives you 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. This is our second equation. Now solve the two equations to find the values of x and y. The earlier equation was minus x minus y. What, children? Minus x minus y? 2, no? Is equal to 2, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so minus, thank you, minus x minus y is equal to 2. So we'll multiply that equation by 5. Elimination method, no? So we'll multiply that equation by 5. So we'll get minus 5x minus 5y is equal to 10. Okay, we are solving equation 1 and 2. We'll multiply that equation by 5. So we'll get minus 5x minus 5y is equal to 10. And here this equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. All right, so cancels and you get minus 2y is equal to 8. Y is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. Now substitute. When you substitute from minus 4 here, minus 12, this side plus 12, or 10, x is equal to 2. 10, but on substituting, you'll get x is equal to 2. So the coordinates of P, 2 comma minus 4. 2 comma minus 4. Yes, I'm right. You know, after finding y, children, you'll have to substitute and get the value of x. And once you find x and y, you have the coordinates of P. Very easy. P is equidistant from 3 points. So PA is equal to PB is equal to PC. That's all. Find them using the distance formula. Make two conditions, make two equations. So from that, you will get two equations, solve and find the values of x and y. Yeah. Yes.
You found AP, BP, and CP separately.
Sorry?
You found AP square and BP square and CP square separately and then equated. I equated it at the starting itself. AP square equal to BP square.
Good. Yeah. You can do that. Yes. Directly you can work.
Equations, if I solve, I'm getting the answer. The first equation I got in the way I did is right.
Yes, class, as Ananya says, we can directly work PA square is equal to PB square and PB square is equal to PC square directly. I found them separately. I found PA square, PB square, PC square, and then I equated. Yes, you can directly work PA square is equal to PB square, PB square is equal to PC square. But Ananya, I don't, meaning it's not clear. You have any doubt? You got it?
No, ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am, but the first equation I got is like I didn't use this in this solution at all. Only the second and the third equations were.
Second and third equations, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third one? Can you take a photo of your answer and share it with me?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Ananya, you worked all the three cases. Is it PA, PB, PB, PC? You worked all the three cases. Is it, Ananya?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I can't hear you first.
No, you worked all the three cases. Is it?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, and no, I need to check in detail because now your equations aren't matching.
No, ma'am, they are matching. And I did get the answer.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll just go through your work and I'll text you on WhatsApp, Ananya, because I need to see in detail. Children, any questions? Class?
Ma'am, I got the answer wrong, ma'am.
That's what. See, you can see the working. You have any questions, you can ask me. Where did you go wrong? You can compare your work with what you see on the screen and identify your mistake.
Ma'am, I couldn't find it, ma'am.
Okay, maybe not now. You can share the picture. I'll go through your work and try to identify and correct it.
Yes,
Take a
ma'am.
picture and did you understand what I've worked?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you expanded correctly? That is a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Have you written the 2ab term? Sometimes we just write a square plus b square. We forget the 2ab. What have you done?
Yes, ma'am, I got the equations right, ma'am, but the working is wrong at the end, ma'am.
You got the two equations also correctly. Solving, you didn't get x and y.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are your equations? Tell me. What are your equations?
Ma'am, my equations are same as yours, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, read from your book. What have you written in your book? Read.
Ma'am, I have got it x is equal to -4 and y is 6, ma'am.
Okay, I think better because we'll not take more time for this one. You take a picture of your answer and share it with me. I'll see where the mistake is. All right. Yeah, let's move ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the fourth one, children. A, B, C, D. Show that it's a rhombus and not a square. Find the area of the rhombus quickly. What shall we do next, children? Arithmetic progressions or circles? Or areas related to circles? What shall we do next?
Ma'am, arithmetic progressions.
Arithmetic progressions. Others?
Thing is okay. They completed circles and areas related to circles in school.
You finished, is it? Okay.
Yeah, arithmetic progressions we have.
Okay. You want to learn something which is not taught in school. Very good. All right. Then others? Nandini, Priyanka, Hitesh, Murali Krishna, Rajeshwari, Ram, Shreyas, Tarun. Shall we do AP next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, children. Okay, so Ananya, how do you find the area of a sector? What's the formula to find the area of a sector?
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
What's the other formula to find the area of a sector?
Area of area of circle minus area of large sector.
No. Supposing I give you the value of L and R and ask you to find the area of the sector. Find the area of the sector given the values of L and R, length of arc and radius.
Length of arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
No, directly. The formula which is used. That is, you're given the length of arc, the value of length of arc and the radius. Using these two, connecting these two, there's a formula to find the area of a sector. What is that?
We didn't learn using L. And we didn't learn using L.
Okay. Oh, okay. So area of sector is equal to 1 mark question. All this objective will be very useful. Half LR by 2. LR by 2 square units. If the length of arc is given, this is a sector, this is the sector. If you're given the length of the arc, if you're given the length of arc L and the radius of the sector, and the radius of sector, area of the sector will be LR by 2. Length of arc into radius divided by 2. LR by 2. Ananya, what's the formula to find the perimeter of a sector? Okay, how do you find the perimeter of a sector?
Perimeter of sector length of arc plus 2r.
Very good. Length of arc plus 2r. Very good. So you've learned for sector angle 60, 90 and 120 or only 60 and 90?
With sector angle.
No, sector angle.
Yes,
60, 90 and 120 or only 60 and 90?
I think whatever the angle is, we divide it by 360 and into pi r square.
Okay. All right. Yes, children. Yeah, let's get back to this one. Find AB, find BC, find CD, find AD. What is it? I'm not working this one. I have the answer. I'm just going to write the final answer. And also tell me, should we find the diagonals AC and BD?
Yes, ma'am. We need to find it, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Very good. I'll be find AB, BC, CD, AD, AC, BD quickly.
Ma'am?
Yeah,
Root 26 units, ma'am, also.
correct. Very good. Yes, you're right.
Ma'am, diagonal
26.
AC diagonal 4 root 2 units, ma'am.
Correct.
BD 6 root 2 units, ma'am.
Very good. So you got root 32, right?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Root
root
32.
72.
Root 32 and root 72, correct? 4 root 2 and
6 root 2.
units, correct.
And then area of rhombus 24 square.
Now, Ram, how will you say that it's a rhombus and not a square?
Because all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal.
Correct. All sides are equal, but the diagonals are unequal. So it's a rhombus and not a square. And how do you find the area of the rhombus? What's the formula?
Into D1 into D2.
Very good. Half D1 into D2. Half product of diagonals. Half into D1 into D2. Half product of diagonals. Half into D1, 4 root 2 into D2, 6 root 2. Very good. Half into product of diagonals. Half into D1 into D2. Half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. So 24 square units. 24 square units. Very good. Yes, children, we have to go to the next one. Yeah, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Next one. This is the 5th question. The points A 4, 7, B P, 3, C 7, 3 are the vertices of a right triangle. It's given that they are the vertices of a right triangle. Right triangle, right angled at B. At B, find the value of P. Find the value of P. A 4, 7, B P, 3. 7, 3. Yeah. So these points are the vertices of a right triangle, right angled at B. Find the value of P. Simply use Pythagoras theorem. Draw a right triangle. B is right angled. Mark off the vertices. Use Pythagoras theorem and tell me the value of P, children. So in Pythagoras theorem, you will get AB square, BC square, AC square. Find all that using distance formula. AB, BC, AC, all using distance formula. Yes, easy one. Let's see who does it first. Yeah, class, use the emoji. Raise your hand. Ananya, Ram, Nandini, Tarun, Murali, Rajeshwari, Murali, Krishna, Priyanka, Hitesh, Harini and Sneha there. All right, very good children. I cannot feel the presence of mostly, not in this class, mostly I cannot feel the presence of Hitesh, Priyanka, because the others and Murali Krishna. The others now and then, show up with some answer or something. But Priyanka, Hitesh, and Tarun, not sorry, Murali Krishna, completely inactive, completely. Yeah, Priyanka, you wanted to say something?
Ma'am, I'm present in the class only, ma'am.
Yeah, you're present in the class. I don't feel your presence is what I meant. You are, all of us are present in the class. Yes, children, please complete this. Find the value of P. Yes. Yes, Ananya?
Quadratic equation p square minus 3p plus 28 equal to 0.
Oh, it's not 3p. It's not 3p. Check that.
Minus 11p?
Yeah, it's minus 11p. Yes. It is 32 and 49. 81 and this will come here as 25. 56. What 56 will it be? Plus 56. Yeah. P square minus 11p plus 28 is equal to 0. Split the middle term and find the values of p. Nandini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Why you also not active these days? You got the equation, Nandini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then what are the values of p?
Solving, ma'am.
All right. Please solve and let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
V is equal to 7 and 4.
Very good. 7, 4. So you'll have to split the middle term. Yeah. You'll have to split the middle term and find the values of p. P is equal to 7 or p is equal to 4. So since it's given it's a right triangle, we'll have to use Pythagoras theorem. That's all. Distance formula. And that will take you to a quadratic equation, split the middle term and find the values of p. Very easy. You just have to be careful while calculating and using the formula. Okay. Next one. Oh my God. All of you finished dinner, children?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
Oh my God. Oh, why children? Oh my God. Okay, I'll just give you the question then and we'll just discuss the procedure and I'll tell you the final answer. You can complete it. If you've not had dinner. Find the center. Find the center of a circle passing through the points. Passing through the points. Passing through the points. A 6, minus 6. B 3, minus 7, and C 3, 3. 6, minus 6, 3, minus 7, and 3, 3. All right. So a circle passes through these 3 points. That means A, B, C lie on the circumference of the circle. The points A, B, and C lie on the circumference of the circle. So A 6, minus 6. B 3, minus 7. Because the circle passes through these points. The circle passes through the 3 points A, B, and C. That means the points A, B, and C lie on the circle. We need to find the coordinates of the center of the circle. O. We don't know the coordinates. So X, Y. When you join OA, radius. When you join OB, radius. When you join OC, radius. And what do you know? OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Radius of the same circle. So like how we worked PA, PB, PC. When, this is also similar. No, there is one point O, which is equidistant from the points A, B, and C. Similar to that question we worked. A point P is equidistant from the points A, B, and C. So here, the point O, the center of the circle, the point O is equidistant from the 3 points A, B, and C. So that's what we have written. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, but the reason is radius. So OA square is equal to OB square. That is one, that will give you one equation. OB square is equal to OC square, another equation. So from these 2 equations, you will get 2 linear equations in X and Y. Solve and find the values of X and Y. All right. So I'll just tell you the values of X and Y. When you work, you will get X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to minus 2. So that means the coordinates of the center 3, minus 2. Center O is equal to 3, minus 2. The coordinates of the center O is equal to 3, minus 2. All right. Please take down the question and make a note of the answer. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.